This is the Sally Hansen Insta-Dri. This one is number 510, the Gain Momentum. My kids love these. Fresh minty blue. That's so pretty. Fresh minty blue, dries in 60 seconds. And yes, they do dry, quick dry. I like it because they could put it on. Effortless, streak-free manicure, instant drying, no smudging, one stroke, one coat. So when you're dealing with young ones that are learning, this is the perfect nail polish for them. Full coverage with ease. Built-in base, top, and obviously the polish, but so basically 3-in-1. They don't need to put a base coat and a top coat on. It is all in this bottle. Love the color, visually appealing, color that pops. Bold, fresh, and dries before you're able to blink. Highly recommend.